Makeup brush set. Solve 32 pieces, professional makeup brushes, wooden handle, cosmetics brushes, foundation, concealer, powder face, eye makeup brushes kit, black. Multifunctional use. Each product in our makeup brush set is very practical. Each makeup brushes does a specific range of jobs. You can quickly go through the different makeup brush to get the look you're looking for. Easy and convenient for daily makeup use. Premium synthetic fiber. The bristles are well made of durable synthetic fiber. All the makeup brushes are fine and dense. It is shed-free and makes it easy to sweep, swirl, and blend eyeshadows, blush, and highlighter into place. Whether you want to create smoky eyes or chiseled cheekbones, the brush set would be a good helper to create a flawless look. Apply your makeup without tiring your hand. Durable wooden handles and aluminum ferrules ensure the durability and grip feel of the brushes. Each makeup brush in our set is comfortable, easy to use. Designed by Solve, what we are